Most people make the exact same mistake when they hear the word crypto. They picture one giant, confusing pool of digital coins that all work the same way. They toss Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of volatile internet coins into the same mental bucket. This hides the reality that their underlying rules and risks are nothing alike. Looking at these two things side by side reveals the true gap. You are comparing a heavy, physical bar of gold to a high-risk paper stock certificate for a brand-new Silicon Valley startup. This mental gap is where the danger lives. Without separating these assets, it is impossible to tell the difference between a long-term storage of wealth and a highly speculative gamble. The divide comes down to how these things are born. One is a mathematical discovery that exists on its own. The other is a commercial project built by a team trying to grow a business. That difference determines how they handle a crisis. A discovery relies on unchangeable math, while a company is subject to the human decisions and failures of its creators. Recognizing this split changes how you view every price chart and every headline. You start to see exactly what you are paying for, rather than following the crowd. Bitcoin stands alone because it is a mathematical discovery. Like the laws of physics or the properties of gold, it simply exists, governed by code rather than people. This monolithic shape represents a system with no CEO, no marketing budget, and no corporate headquarters. If the network has a glitch, there is no customer service department to call because nobody is in charge. This absence of a leader creates true digital ownership. If you hold the private key, your digital password, that property belongs to you. No bank or government can step in to freeze it or take it away. Because there is no central owner, the rules are set in stone. No board of directors can meet in secret to print more Bitcoin or change the system to benefit themselves at your expense. This lack of human control is what makes it valuable. It is a neutral, mathematical anchor designed to protect your savings from human error and greed. On the other side of the divide are altcoins. Most of these function as modern tech startups that use digital tokens to fund their growth. They are driven by human elements, ambitious developers, foundations, business roadmaps, and aggressive marketing meant to attract new buyers. Because human beings are in the driver's seat, the rules can change. If the founders change their minds or the business pivots, the technology and its value pivot along with them. These are high-stakes technology bets. Your money is riding on the hope that these specific people won't go bankrupt, make a fatal mistake, or simply stop working on the project. This human structure creates a specific mechanism where regular buyers often unknowingly fund the profits of the founders. Long before a project is available to you, the insiders get their tokens for a tiny fraction of a cent. They start with massive piles of wealth created out of thin air. These founders follow a preset schedule that slowly releases their huge piles of cheap coins over several years. Every month, they sell these coins into the market, directly to everyday people who are paying the full market price. This constant selling from the insiders creates a heavy weight on the price. The sheer volume of new coins being dumped often overwhelms the demand, causing the value to drop for everyone else. The system is built so that regular people provide the cash that allows the founders to walk away with a profit. In many cases, the public is simply the final buyer in a plan designed to enrich the creators. The power structure of these assets determines their survival. One is an open network for everyone. The other is a private project run by a few. History shows the result of this difference. Most top projects from a few years ago have either vanished or lost nearly all their value when compared to the steady growth of Bitcoin. This makes Bitcoin the anchor of a portfolio, a long-term foundation that doesn't rely on a specific company or CEO to succeed. Think of your portfolio like this. Bitcoin is the dense central core. Altcoins are the fragile satellites. If you choose to hold them, they should be small, high-risk bets that you are prepared to lose. To see if your strategy is actually working, measure your progress against Bitcoin's value. If your other coins are gaining in dollars but losing ground against Bitcoin, you are actually losing purchasing power. Respecting this divide gives you a permanent compass. You can finally stop guessing and start building a portfolio based on the reality of how these assets actually work.